Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this amazing squash soup. Squash or pumpkin, you can use any of these two, and the soup is gonna taste amazing. So as you can see, I have a squash, a green apple, a few garlic cloves and some onion. I'm gonna peel the apple after I wash it. I'm gonna cut that squash in half. I remove the seeds with a tablespoon, and you can actually roast those seeds after you wash them up. You can roast them in the oven with a pinch of salt and they're delicious. Remove the core of the apple as well. We're gonna roast all these vegetables and the apple as well in the oven. I preheated the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Keep an eye on the apple, onion and garlic because they can burn easily. So either you can cover them or remove them earlier than the pumpkin, than the squash, in order for them not to get burned. I will place the squash with the cut side down and drizzle a bit of olive oil on onion, garlic and the apple. The squash is getting so yummy and sweet, and as you can see, it looks like it's getting caramelized. Add the apple, onion and those garlic cloves in a pot. I will use half a cube of vegetable bouillon, and I will mix it with some hot water to dissolve it. You can use instead of this some vegetable soup if you have. It's gonna be good as well. And with this vertical blender, just mix and blend everything until it's nice and smooth. And this soup is amazing, trust me. It's a really yummy soup, like comfort food, and especially now when the cold is outside and it smells like winter. This soup is exactly what you need. I mixed in that bouillon with water. First of all, to make it a bit, runnier, we don't make here a mash, we are making a soup. So you need to add a bit more liquid if it's needed. Continue to blend. And of course, let's add some spices. I have here some fresh pepper, cayenne. This is optional. If you serve this soup to kids, maybe they will not be fan of cayenne. Nutmeg for sure. And put the soup again on the stove. Add more hot water if it's needed. As you can see, it's really smooth and has a really yummy color. Keep it there for 10 more minutes and it's ready to be served. Serve it hot because we need to warm up. I serve it in a really nice bowl with pumpkin seeds, or you can use croutons if you want and if you prefer those. So I have here these yummy pumpkin seeds. They're roasted. but also I'm gonna add some pomegranate seeds, just because beside the color and the contrast, they give something extra to the soup, like, I don't know, sweetness, a bit of sourness. So in the end, delicious comfort soup. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, give thumbs up to the recipe that you love, and comment down below. Find reasons to smile, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, have an awesome day. Bye.